Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the tablet is right for you and not expired, then measure 200 to 250 milliliters of room temperature water. Once done, drop the effervescent tablet into the glass and watch it dissolve. The fizz signals active ingredients dispersing. You should avoid hot water because it can change dissolution speed and taste. Make sure to let it finish fully dissolving. This ensures even concentration and reduces throat irritation when you drink the solution. Once the tablet has fully dissolved and the solution looks uniform, drink the entire glass within about 15 minutes to get the intended dose. You should take it after a light meal when possible because food improves absorption of many vitamins and reduces the chance of nausea. If you're using multiple supplements, space them as recommended. For example, avoid taking high-calcium products at the exact same time as iron. Make sure to replace the glass cap and rinse it afterward for hygiene. You finish by storing any remaining tablets in their original container, tightly closed, away from heat and moisture so they stay effective. If you notice mild stomach upset, try taking the tablet with a fuller meal or shifting to a different time of day. These changes often resolve tolerance issues. If you experience signs of allergy, rash, swelling, difficulty breathing, stop immediately and seek medical care. Finally, if the tablet doesn't fully dissolve or tastes off, dispose of it and use a fresh one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.